Day 3, Finding the Right Posture. Hi, welcome to Day 3 of How to Meditate. As always, it's your friendly neighborhood therapist, John, and today we're going to talk about something very exciting, your posture. Now I know on the surface this doesn't sound like something that's very exciting, but I promise, today's session is a lot more exciting than it sounds. Trust me. One of the most overlooked aspects of meditating is finding the right position. It's not so much that there's a right way or a wrong way of doing meditation, just that the position you decide to take has 3 important things to consider. That you're comfortable, that you're still, and that you are alert. You want to be comfortable because tension and pain are distracting. You want to be still because movement is also distracting. And you want to be alert because being aware is what meditation's all about. So all these things are true. But what's most important is sitting in a way that feels dignified and self-respecting for you and your situation. That might mean sitting in a chair with your spine perfectly straight. It might mean putting cushions behind your back and under your knees. It might even mean lying down. I'll guide as though you're sitting straight, but know that what your body needs is your business and your business alone. Okay, so let's get started. Let's start by closing the eyes. There's an expression in meditation called taking the one seat. It's the idea that you're making a promise to yourself to choose your spot. And once your spot is chosen, you make a promise and commitment to yourself to stay seated throughout the meditation. No matter what life or this meditation throws at you, you commit to taking your one seat. Sounds kind of badass, doesn't it? Okay, let's start by feeling the contact we have with our chair or the cushion or the ground we have beneath us. Let's start by taking a few deep breaths in together. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Another deep breath in. Deep breath out. As you take in your next deep breath, I want you to bring your full attention to the feeling of the incoming breath. Deep breath in. And then as you exhale, there's kind of a downward motion, like you're sinking into your position. Start taking another deep breath in, making sure as you breathe in, you're stretching out the spine. And then as you breathe out, notice if there's any tension in your body. Softening your shoulders, relaxing the belly, easing the worry lines in the forehead. With every exhale, it's like you're breathing out any tension. Let everything just kind of hang off the central axis of the spine. So when we take our one seat, we're not rigid. Our strength comes from our openness. So again, see if you can breathe out any tension. Relax any rigidity. We're not fazed by any sounds or sensations or even feelings. This openness and inner smoothness is called equanimity. We'll cover this in more detail in a later session, but for right now, just try to settle in and be easy going for a bit. Keep breathing. Beautiful. So you can just stay in this open, dignified stance, noticing what you notice, or you can continue our work from our last session and work with a home base. Maybe the feeling of the breath, or sounds, or the sense of your whole body sitting in space. The idea is to keep your attention on one aspect of your experience. That might be the feeling of the breath coming in and out of the nostril, or the air touching the surface of your skin. And if you get distracted, then in a relaxed and gentle way, just come back to your home base with an attitude of, hey, just happy to be here. Keep going. You're doing good. So, quick check in. Are you comfortable? Are you still? Are you alert with a straight spine? This isn't the hunchback of Notre Dame, and you're definitely not Quasimodo. So, chest out, spine straight, and keep going. So, no need to be some unshakable beast here. What's the least amount of effort you can expend while still staying awake, available, and relaxed? We're almost done here. And now for this last bit, no need to make any kind of special effort. Just relax, as though your one seat is you floating down a river, drifting downstream, on a lazy summer's day. Meditation is the best. Where else in life do you get to notice you're alive and then just sit in the middle with patience and presence and dignity? It's the practice of self-respect, and it's through our posture that we can best express that. Our posture says that the promise I made to myself matters. My word matters. I matter. That's what it means to take the one seat. When you're ready, open your eyes and resume the flow of your day. Good to meditate with you. God bless, and I'll see you in tomorrow's session, where we start to think about our thinking. See you then.